Alright, I think the timer went off. I think the timer went off on my video. So anyway, I was pulling these out so I can change it around. I want them poking out, not in, I guess. Is it coming out? Is that coming? Oh man, we got it on him. Try again. Alright, I think it's going. That we're going to put a little bit of tape on there. Where I put that note right there. Oh, man. I know smoking's bad. The other one, boy, it was a little bit harder. All right. It's coming through. Alright. Put some tape on it. All right. All right, I feel better about that. Feel better about that. You may have to glue those up in there. All right. So it's ready to spray paint. It's ready to spray paint. Just like that. Be rolling around. Oh, does that fit? Oh man. My basket on the back is too big. Oh. Oh. Look at that. Oh man. I have to take off my basket on the back. Man. Oh, dude, I don't have to really take it off. God dog it. I'll just get that cutting wheel and cut that off there. What's wrong with me? Gotta put some more tape on there. The tape came off. Yeah, man, I'll just take that cutting wheel and take that off there. Uh-oh. Screw might be in the way. Let's try it and see what happens. There we go. not a very even cut. It's not very straight. Let's see if we can get down in here and get the rest of this cut. There we go. Alright, let's see if the ice chest fits back in there now. Yeah, that ain't gonna work out. It's alright. No basket on the back. If I hadn't cut that off, I might have been able to get it onto the front. I think I tried that yesterday, but I couldn't really get it. Or the day before. That's alright. No big deal. No basket. Alright. Alright, well then I guess I'm through jacking around with this car for the day. I'm going to try to see if I can cut in some holes in this lid for the vacuum cleaner hoses and the fan. And I'm going to check them vacuum cleaner hoses. I'm going to get around to it, I promise. Uh-oh. Alright, so I think I'm through with this for the day. I think I'm through with this for the day. Alright. Maybe I'm through with this for the day. Probably through with all these for the day. Drill bit back up. Let's try to remember which drill bit it is that I need. That one right there. Next time. Trash. Alright, let's get this stuff out of the way. Out of the way, out of the way. Commercial break. One more. Goodness. Whew. It is humid out here. It rained pretty much all day, and I don't know what degrees it is because I forgot my temperature gauge again. Alright, let's check out this. So I made this one for a couple of solar fans. It didn't really work very well. That solar battery doesn't that power pack doesn't give them enough power. They're just USB anyway, so they don't really have any power. So it didn't work out. But the hole was pretty alright. So let me check these hoses and see what fits. Because I've already got this one made. Oh yeah, that fits down in there pretty good. That's good. Oh yeah, it stops right there. Be able to push it up on the bottom. Alright. Let's try this one. Uh-oh. That hole is just a little bit too small for that one. I would have to widen it out just a tad. Oh, but that end fits. Look, watch that. see what that looks like. That'll be alright. That's cool. Just have to pull it up there. Walk around with the little fan on you, little air conditioner. Just twirls up on itself on top, I guess. Alright, that's cool. I like that one. Like it like that. All right. See this one. That fits down in there pretty good. I bet. There we go, got it. Look at that. That fits nice. That one fits really nice. Like this one. That one fits. Oh, get out of there. That's that one. I'm not liking that one too much. I thought I was going to, but I don't think. Probably if I got rid of this piece right here and this piece right here, I might like it a little better. I wish that was a little bit longer. Oh yeah, there we go. Where's that gasket that I saw earlier? Give me a second. Oh man, almost. Oh, there we go, almost. Oh man. Yes, almost that seal almost does it. Dang. Can I stretch it over a little bit? Oh. No. This other way. Dang. Dang. Can't get it to stretch over. Won't go over, won't go under. Come on, butthole. You see that? Oh, man. flathead screwdriver. All right, it's not working. Maybe I'll find another gasket. At least now I know that when I put this pattern for this hole, that's going to work. All right. All right. So I don't have a jigsaw, so I think I'm going to use a razor blade, carpet knife to cut this. Cut these holes out. Take out that screw to take this off. And that comes off. And that screw stays in there. Alright, my problem with this is going to be this bottom part because it's got all these ridges on it. I don't really know how it's going to go cutting with a carpet knife on the top of this. It did alright on that other container. This feels like it's probably a little bit sturdier. I wish I had a jigsaw, but I don't. So that's what's going to have to happen. Or maybe I'm going to have to borrow a jigsaw from somebody if I can't, if it's going to be too much of a hassle. So let's give it a try and see what happens anyway. Oh, pencil. All right, here we go. That. Oh man, kind of wanted to cut the holes for the vacuum cleaners right there. But I think I'm going to have to do it over here. I think I'm going to have to find a spot on here where it's going to be. Where is that pattern? Golly, I'm getting hit up. So that's the whole pattern. I think I might be able to do it right there and right there. And then I think I'm going to have another little hole that's going to, I think I'm going to put a little hose that's going to blow some of the cold air back onto the fan. I'm going to try it out and see what happens. We'll see. I don't know. So I think these might do all right there. Can I see that? Thought I could see the pattern through here. I think I can. It's going to be right about there. It's going to be about there and about there. And this one is going to be back here. Right about there. Let's try it and see what happens. I think this circle is just a little tad too big. So hopefully we'll get inside of it and it'll be about right. Alright. See what happens. It worked pretty good on that one. Goodness. Unsteady Freddy with the hands here. Oh, that's going to be terrible. Golly. I don't know if I'm going in the... It feels like I'm probably going in the same holes. Same groove. That one probably didn't. That one didn't for sure. God. I'm starting to see the groove now. Oh man, I missed it. Alright, well I'm just going to keep going round and round on it, so I'll come back in a few minutes, alright? Alright, it's getting closer, I'm telling you. It's getting closer. Some of it's all the way through now. There's some spots. Where I didn't go very good. Where I didn't stay in the lines very well. Almost there. Because really what I'm wanting to do after that, I want this to be where I can put that back on there. So I think I'm going to have to glue some, or JB weld some tabs onto the side of it so I can take it on and off there. Alright, I'll come back in a few minutes when I get it all the way out. Alright, so I cut and cut and cut on this thing, and evidently the top part is molded or fused with the bottom part where those ridges are down here. It's like fused to that part, so I can't really cut through it with that knife right now. I'm going to have to try to get a hold of a jigsaw. So if anybody's out there got a jigsaw, let me know, let me borrow it. So I guess I'm about through for the day. Did my little product review on these suspenders here. I'm going to finish that up real quick, and then go take a shower and go finish the evening, I guess. Anyway, you guys have a good evening. Thank you for watching. Hopefully from watching my videos, you will learn from my mistakes and improve upon my successes.